This is Flashback, man.
Hey babe, can I just talk to myself? Yeah. And I'm too anxious when you're not around. Can you please just come and help? Once you can. I'm colorblind but never seen a color in my life. Yeah, you are my last hope, so I'm begging.
Pochemuchka, isn't it beautiful?
Listen, those recent events they get to me. I lost touch with reality. Maybe this shit is good to me. I can focus on what's important. And we live this life, this constantly trying to ball. We keep on shit, but that's a history. We built from scratch, we built from memories. Yeah. Why you mad? Why you sad? Why you always cry in your room? Are my words so empty? Do you even notice the moon? Stargazing every day, so cold I almost rose up to the roof. Another day, another chance to tell the truth. Why you mad? Why you sad? Why you always cry in your room? Are my words so empty? Do you even notice the moon? Stargazing every day, so cold I almost rose up to the roof. Another day, another chance to tell the truth. Yeah, I met you in February, it's cold and we were high. I was still shook from January, started doing drugs, yeah. Hooked up in penitentiary, and then I remember just her smile. Remember her smile. Oh my God, can I just have you all to myself? She smiled, this the moment I saw red in her hair, red in her eyes. Wow, this the moment I saw colors for the first time in my life.
Did you hear what I said? Yo, fucking listen to this shit.
Yeah, I met you in February, it's cold and we were high. I was still shook from January, started doing drugs, yeah. Hooked up in penitentiary, and then I remember just her smile. Remember her smile.
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 Smile. Smile.